Hi fam, we're Route XYZ, and you're tuned into
Easy Ride.
December Avenue. Ikaw.
December Avenue.
December Avenue. December Avenue. December Avenue.
December. Nahirapan ako doon.
Ang wala na kayo magawa.
December.
December Avenue. December Avenue. December
December.
Avenue. December Avenue. December Avenue. December Avenue. December Avenue. Parang gigil yung ano mo dun.
Hindi. December Avenue na sabi ko.
Parang magigigil.
Four of space ako.
Personal. December Avenue. It's personal. Yeah, it's personal.
Sige.
Okay, talo ka sa vote.
Sige. December Avenue.
December Avenue. Ano yun? Sige, ano pagsalita mo?
December Avenue.
Yo. December Avenue. December Avenue. December Avenue. Mamaya malalaman nyo bakit. December Avenue. December Avenue. December Avenue. Personal, it's personal.
December Avenue.
Sa akin it's personal.
Dahil sinabi.
It's for me, nakita ko yung journey nila eh. Actually, iba doon, mga kabatch namin sa UST. Actually, pag nakakasabay pa namin sila mag-rehearse, inantay nila yung almost 12 years. Inantay nila yung almost 12 years para may pumutok na hit. And grabe yung perseverance ng December Avenue. So, that's my personal choice.
We respect December Avenue. And we love Sir Lem. Kaya yun yung pinili namin.
Yes po.
Bash na naman tayo nito.
Guys, we are Route XYZ and you can follow our social media accounts at Route XYZ and yun, makikita niyo yung mga masisipag naming contents. Makikita niyo yung mga contents namin. And then, you can stream our new single, Madama, on all digital music platforms. Remember someone today with Route XYZ. Bye, fam.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
and don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.